let me show you how to restore your potency just like when you were young. This natural medicine will make you last longer in bed even if you're 90 years old. Hello and thank you for joining Green Juice channel. Now let's begin. Please click on the subscribe button to be part of the club. Thank you. Remember that every time you wish to prepare this juice or this drink, you must always use fresh ingredients. Please help this channel by clicking on the like button and sharing the video as well. Today we're using these fruits and vegetables. Tell me in the comment section your favorites of them all. If you enjoyed this video and want to see more content like this, make sure to hit that subscribe button and turn on notifications so you never miss an upload. And don't forget to give this video a thumbs up and leave a comment below with your thoughts or suggestions for future videos. Your support means everything to us and helps us to continue creating content that you love. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next one.